Rehabilitation of agricultural lands devastated by Super Typhoon Yolanda are also ongoing full blast. These include coconut plantations which suffered heavily from the disaster. Among those lending a hand are what used to be or who used to be illegal loggers. Again, here's Freddy Abando.
Here is one for the record books. Illegal loggers are actively involved in recovery efforts of clearing coconut plantations of 6 million trees destroyed by Typhoon Yolanda. This is the equivalent of 2 million board feet of cocoa lumber.
We converted people who were otherwise doing illegal action. Problema ng ibang mga mayors. We converted them into positive workers helping us in the rehabilitation effort. So saan ka pa? I mean, so tuwan-tuwa ako actually, if there's anything that that we at DA is happy about, yung combination nga ng mga na gano'n. So, and the secretary, of course, instruction ng secretary, di ba dati, kasi alam mo, magkasama kami ng secretary dati sa environmental movement. So sabi niya, ano kaya kung anuhin natin yung mga yung mga dati mga pinag-uhuli nyo? Sige, subukan natin. It work. It work. At saka, ang gagaling talaga nila. Dumating yung taga-Real Nakar. Grabe, Grabe yung mga taga-Real Nakar. Alam mo yung dati yung mga taga doon sa local, siguro yung train namin, nakakaputo lang sila ng isang nyug sa isang oras. Alam mo ito, 4 hanggang 5 tinitira. Isang oras, ha? Talagang, ang tawag nga namin, was, mga halimaw.
Agriculture Assistant Secretary Aziz Perez, who also heads the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, has imported and employed an army of 500 chainsaw operators to cut the trees. Many of them were caught for illegal logging from heavily forested areas of the country. The finished products are used as housing materials for survivors of those who lost their homes. Perez said the work is faster. Each chainsaw earns 5,000 pesos a week. Then their take-home pay from illegal activities was 5,000 a month.
They're paid not by day, by the output. So again, that's the right move kasi if you pay them by day, tatamad-tamad yan. Pero kung base yan sa output mo, per piraso, talagang tira ng tira. Diba? So pabilisan, di ba? Talagang yung mga, alam mo, ito ko yung Freddy, nakakatawa ito. Yan may mga illegal logger, pinuntahan ko. Kahapon, minute ko sila, 300. Sabi ko, magkano na ngayon yung pinapadala nyo sa asawa? Weekly. Sir, 5,000. Weekly, ha? Weekly.
Ang isa?
Isa. Magkano ba dati? Sir, swerte ng pagkasa isang buwan, nakapagpadala kami ng 6,000. Pag sa mundo. Taguan pa, illegal pa. Diba?
In the meantime, Perez said all affected coconut farmers were hired for cash for work programs. Planting coconut trees is 30 pesos a day, 20 pesos to fertilize the plantation. Since it will take time for the coconut trees to grow, they are provided seeds to plant corn and vegetables.
So, it's a total package. Ang ganda-ganda nga ng programa na ito. Kaya, it's really an honor for me and a pleasure for me to be able to serve this way. Although, syempre, I have to admit, yung challenge. Pero, sa ganda naman ng programa, pag nagawa natin to, mabalik natin yung productivity ng ating land, di ba?
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.